Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Riska Listiyana. My NPM 2341142. I'm from Manajemen Class 23B. So, today I'm going to talk about the nature of strategic management. So, let's start with the basic idea. Strategic management is all about how a company plans and makes big decisions to reach its long-term goals. It's like a roadmap that guides the companies toward its future direction. Without a strategy, a business is just reacting to whatever happens around it. But with strategic management, it acts with purpose and direction. Now, what makes strategic management special are its main characteristics of nature. These are the things that make it different from daily management or short-term planning. Let's go through them one by one. First, strategic management focuses on the long-term perspective. It's not about what happens next week or next month, but what will happen in the next 3, 5, or even 10 years. For example, if a company decides to invest in renewable energy, it's not just thinking about profit today, but about being sustainable in the future. So every strategic decision has long-term impact. Second, it's a goal-oriented. This means that all strategies are created to achieve specific objectives. Every department from marketing to operation should work together toward some goals. For instance, if a company's main goal is to be a market leader, then every decision, from product design to advertising, should support that goal. Strategic management helps everyone move in the same direction. Third, strategic management always deals with uncertainty and change. The business world is unpredictable. New competitors appear. Technology evolves. Customers change their behavior, and global events can affect markets overnight. So, manager must always be ready to adopt. A successful strategy is flexible, not fixed. From example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies had to quickly change their strategies from offline to online operation. That's strategic management in action. Fourth, it's integrative and coordinate. This means strategic management does work in isolation. Every part of the organization, finance, marketing, production, here needs to be aligned and coordinated. Let's say a company wants to focus on innovation. That goal can just come from the R&D department. It must be supported by marketing campaigns, budget, and even HR training. Strategic management connect all of this together like gears in a machine. 5. It involves continuous analysis and evaluation. A strategy is never done. It needs to be reviewed, monitored, and improved regularly. Managers have to check if the plan is actually working. Are we moving toward our goals? Are the results as expected? If not, something has to change. This constant review helps the company stay relevant and competitive. Next, strategic management is proactive. Instead of waiting for problems to appear, Managers try to predict future challenges and prepare solutions in advance. For example, a company might invest in new technology before competitors do, or study new customer trends before the market shifts. Being proactive means staying one step ahead. And finally, strategic management requires creativity and analytical thinking. Good strategies don't come from justing. They come from analyzing data, understanding the environment, and thinking creatively about how to stand out. Managers need both logic and imagination to design strategies that actually work. So, when we put it all together, the nature of strategic management is about long-term focus, goal orientation, adaptability, coordination, continuous evaluation, proactive, and creativity. In simple terms, it's about making smart, long-term decisions that guide the entire organization toward success, not just for today, but for the future. That's why strategic management is so important. It helps companies stay strong, adapt to change, and grow in the competitive world. It's what keeps a business alive, moving forward, and ready for whatever comes next. So much material that I can convey. Please apologize if there is a mistake in the pronunciation of words. Thank you for watching until the end. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.